Hi, Nathan here. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get professional looking product shots using simply your mobile phone, a sheet of white paper and the Neewer Bluetooth app ring light. And for the purposes of this, as it's a photography channel, I'm going to be taking product shots of my Olympus Trip 35. Okay, so first off, sheet of white paper on the desk. I'm going to be using the Neewer app Bluetooth ring light. Neewer sent me this recently. I've done a review of that, but you can view by clicking on the pop-up banner up there. My camera, so we're going to put this on the white paper. This is obviously the ring light that was sent. Now what you can do is it does have a tilting head, so we'll tilt it almost 90 degrees to the table. We'll turn it on. Okay, and then we'll just put that over top of our camera, and then just using your mobile phone we'll take some pictures. Okay, now when you're taking these shots, make sure that you're taking the shots with your arms through the ring light and not underneath, if not you'll block off the light. But obviously when you get a ring light like this, because it's diffused, you're not really going to get any shadows, so let's take some shots now. And with a iPhone, you can obviously lock in the exposure. The idea is we want to try and get a nice white backdrop on these images. So here's the last one. So I have, let's turn this off. So I've obviously shown you the images as I was taking them using the ring light. I hope you agree. Nice and simple, easy to do, and that just shows you that using this simple setup you can get professional product shots using your mobile phone. Thanks for watching. My name's Nathan. Now if you want to get hold of one of these lights, there's a link in the description below. In the UK they're only $69.99, so very cheap. They have a colour range from, I believe, 3200 Kelvin to 5600 Kelvin, and they can go quite bright. And for other purposes, you can control them with your mobile phone. Any questions, fire away and I'll try and answer them. Until next time, you've been watching Nathan. See you later.